Okay, now I'm going to discuss the GBP pairs for today. Now, looking at the GBP pairs on the daily chart, it's at the top of the structure. If you see, if I would like to mark the structure is like this, where price is being defended, rejected, rejected, defended, rejected, defended, defended, rejected, rejected, rejected. So roughly at this area, a lot of sellers are defending. You can see the orders being entering to the market, so you can see very clearly. Now currently the price is over here, and another group of buyers, you can see they bought here, but they keep on buying at a higher price. So these things will happen, like see over here it happens. Buyers willing to buy at a high price, the price need to reject twice. See what I say by twice? This is the first rejection, this is the second rejection, and price will again reach this high price, then only price bleed down. Now first rejection is done, second rejection is taking place. Now is the place where we can take a trade. That's in our mind. Now is it uptrend or downtrend? If you check short term, it looks like uptrend, but overall it's a downtrend, and it's ranging at at this area. So ranging here. Long term downtrend sideways, short term uptrend. Now I know the story clearly in my mind. I'm going to look at H4 and going to analyze now. Highest price, the price have rejected, is over here. This is where the key level is being placed. So I know the sellers are waiting here, and this is a seller's territory. If you see, the price have rejected up to this levels, close to 88 pips to 90 pips. So what I expect is price can go up probably to the same level here, probably to the same level, and then I can expect the price to drop at least to this level. So this is the buyer's territory. This is a buyer's territory where price is being defended here, and seller's territory will be somewhere over here. You can ask Partiban, will the price go to this level and drop or not? Possible. So there's a lot of sellers orders, because that means the price have reached this level. That means still has a potential to reach this level, but most likely it may not go above this level. So I would be parking my pending order, or I'll be monitoring the trade. I want to take a trade somewhere here, and if you see, the potential for this trade is close to 250 pips. That's GBP USD. Okay, that's my analysis. For Euro GBP, I'll skip with the GBP USD, Euro pairs, but let's go to GBP Swiss franc. GBP Swiss franc. Wow, it's a bit choppy here. This is the seller's territory. I expect the same thing, price to go higher and then drop down to this level. So I'm not looking to GBP Swiss franc may not move much, so I'm looking to this level. So I list to this level, and this is how many pips? About 130, 140 pips. Okay, and GBP yen, if you see the structure, the price have created new high, the current price is at the top of the structure. A lot of sellers have parked their orders over here. Can you see? Now there's a space here again. At the moment they are giving a indication that this is a strong resistance area. What I expect is I want the price to pick up these orders and then drop. If it drop, it can drop up to this level, GBP yen. But wow, 1000 pips. Price will drop to this level. You put one lot, that's 10,000 USD. So I'm going to focus this pair.
Interesting.
Because this is a very strong rejection over here. This daily chart rejection area. So let me give you guys the price. Price is 149.47. Okay, that's for GBP yen. And GBP Audi, if you say that the high price is over here, where massive a lot of sellers are a lot of sellers are waiting here, which you can see the price is being rejected greatly and the price is dropping. A lot of people will be rushing in to sell now, but we still have to wait for the price to go high, then sell. We want the best price, so do not rush now. Now if you see this H4 time frame, the market is being rejected here. This is the structure. So this is the structure. So where is the high price? If you ask me, this was the highest price earlier and the price created new high. And if you want to take a sell trade, this is the area you should wait to sell. And GBP yen, there's a potential to spike up, and this one also has a potential to spike up.
Right.
So all the GBP pairs, so we can enter a small volume just to keep our focus on this pair. Then when the price go high and there's another week where a lot of orders are coming in, you see manipulation, you go into the market. Okay, GBP CAD goes same. Wow, GBP CAD looks very clear. GBP CAD. Okay, fundamentally CAD is strengthening, oil price is appreciating, so it has to drop. So that's a very strong point that Canadian dollar has to appreciate, price need to drop. Now this is the resistance area. Let me mark the price for you guys. 1.7735. So what I expect is, if you see this is someone who need enter big volume with zero risk of lethal risk, huge upside, you can expect or place a pending order at this level, let it trigger and drop back to long term. If you see a long term trade, I see a drop of 680 pips. This is long term. Let me show you the TP should be somewhere here. TP should be somewhere here. $1.7134. Okay. So that's all for Euro GBP. I mean, sorry, GBP USD, GBP AUD, GBP Swiss franc, GBP CAD, GBP Yen. So good luck and safe trade.